Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of robotics and Arduino. Arduino is a versatile microcontroller board that has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. It's like a mini computer that can be programmed to do all sorts of amazing things. Robotics, on the other hand, is the branch of engineering that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. It's a fascinating field that combines engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Together, Arduino and robotics create a powerful duo. Arduino can be used to control the movements and actions of robots, making them more intelligent and responsive. This opens up a world of possibilities, from automated manufacturing to space exploration. So, if you're interested in exploring the intersection of technology and creativity, robotics and Arduino are definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech-tastic content.